Do you notice your ReCAPTCHA is not working? You still get so many spam comments and fake form submissions. There is a more effective way to shield your WordPress site from spam and bots. Today, we're exploring Cloudflare Turnstile, the revolutionary ReCAPTCHA alternative that's making waves across the internet. Cloudflare Turnstile is a powerful new tool in the fight against spam and bots. But before we jump in, let's quickly compare it to the old standby Google ReCAPTCHA. While Google ReCAPTCHA has been the standard for years, Cloudflare Turnstile is changing the game. It's quicker, easier to use, and doesn't depend on tracking cookies. Additionally, it's built to be mostly invisible to users, which can lead to improved conversion rates for your business. So, how does Cloudflare Turnstile work? It uses advanced machine learning to detect and block bots without annoying your real visitors. No more distorted images or clicking on endless traffic lights. Now let's dive in. We'll be using a plugin. It's free, user-friendly, and effective. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Create Turnstile site keys. To get started, you'll need to create a Cloudflare account. If you haven't done this yet, visit cloudflare.com and sign up. The process is quick, free, and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in to the Cloudflare account, you have to add your domain name on Cloudflare. You can simply click the Add a Site button and follow the instructions. You have to change the name servers to Cloudflare in order to work this. Go to your domain name provider and change the name servers to Cloudflare. After adding your site, navigate to the Turnstile section in the dashboard. Here you can add your sites separately. Click on the Add a Site button to start. Pick a name for your site and choose the domain name in this drop-down menu. Next, you have to select what type of mode you want to add. You can select full invisible mode or managed mode. When you click, you'll receive two keys, a site key and a secret key. Make sure to keep these safe as we'll need them shortly. Before the next step, subscribe to our channel for more free video tutorials like this. It will help us to create more free content for you. Step 2. Connect WordPress to Cloudflare Turnstile. Now let's go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Plugins section and click the Add New button. Type Simple Cloudflare Turnstile in the search bar. Locate the plugin and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. Then you will be automatically redirected to this page where you can add Cloudflare API keys. Copy and paste the site key and the secret key from Cloudflare. Other than that, you can customize the theme, language, and appearance mode. Choose where you want Turnstile to appear: comments, login, registration, etc. After finishing the setup, save your changes. After that, you have to check whether the API key is working and responding properly. This Cloudflare Turnstile widget appears, and you can check it by clicking. Step 3. Test Turnstile. To test everything is working, I am going to open the site in a new incognito window. Here I am attempting to leave a comment or submit a form where Turnstile is enabled. You can see the Turnstile widget functioning, safeguarding the site while keeping the user experience pleasant. No CAPTCHA pop-up to disrupt the user experience. Now we've successfully integrated Cloudflare Turnstile into WordPress. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you.